Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the first part of the most important Linux commands that you absolutely need to know. On knowing this, not only will you be able to use Linux terminal, but also many Unix based systems including Mac OS. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first command we are going to see is ls. This is used to list all the subdirectories and files in the current directory. Directories are nothing but folders. The A flag is used to view hidden files that have a period before them. L flag is used to have a detailed view with permissions, owner group, date modified, file name, etc. Flag LA is used to give a detailed view involving hidden files and folders. Here the folders are blue in color and the files are white. This symbol is called as tilde. Tilde is an alias for home folder, which contains all the user folder. The next command is cd, which is used to change the directory. Now we are in the home folder and let's move into the desktop. Now we are in the desktop. To move back to the home folder, we use double period followed by a forward slash. As we are going to work in the desktop now, let's go back. The next command we are going to see is touch. Next we'll create a file sample.txt using touch command. The file sample.txt is created. The next command is Nano, which is a built-in text editor. To edit the file sample.txt, we can use Nano, which is a built-in text editor. The hotkeys you are going to use is Ctrl O, which is used to save the file, and Ctrl X to exit Nano. The next command is cat. Now to view the contents of a file, we can use the cat command. The next command is less. Or as a cleaner alternative, we can use less, which opens the content in a new window. To exit out of the window, you can press Q. The next command we are going to see is clear. Now to clear the terminal, we can use clear command. The command we are going to see is mkdir. Now to create a directory, we use the command mkdir. Let's create a folder test. Next we'll see how to move a file. Let's move sample.txt into the test folder. And to move a file, we use mv followed by the file path and the path to destination. Next, we'll see how to copy a file from one location to another. Next, let's copy sample.txt to desktop by using cp sample.txt and relative path to the desktop. Next we'll see how to delete a file. And lastly, to delete a file, we can use rm and the file path. This won't work for directories unless we use the R flag. Next, we'll see how to install programs using apt, which is a Linux package manager. The next command is sudo. This did not work because in Linux some commands are restricted to non-root user. So we can use sudo to run the command with root privileges. Now we have to enter a password. Root user is equivalent to administrator account in Windows. apt-get installs the program, but apt-get updates the list of programs and their versions, and apt-get upgrade installs the newer version. Next, we can find the location of a program using which command. Let's find where tar is installed using which command. Next, we'll see how to toggle different users from the terminal. If we have multiple user accounts, we can switch between them using switch user command. Next, currently I am in the user Chandar, and let us switch to the root user. So we have to enter our root password, and working in the root directory is dangerous because if you change one setting and boom, your bootloader crashes. So let's change back to Chandar. Next is the ping command, which is used to send and receive packets to the server. This command can be used to check if a device is connected to the internet. If you are stuck in an infinite loop or want to stop a command while it is running, we can use hotkeys Ctrl+C. And the next command is find. To find files containing .desktop extension, we can use find / name flag and name of the file. In this case, star.desktop. We can also use it to find MP3 files. Now let's see how to schedule the shutdown from the terminal. To power off the system from the terminal, use shutdown, T flag and the time in seconds. The shutdown is scheduled for 20 seconds from now. To cancel, use C flag. Now let's see how to reboot the computer from the terminal. We can also reboot the system using reboot command. So with this, let's conclude the first part. And thank you guys for watching till the end. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, and if you have any feedback or if you think I missed something, drop it in the comment section and subscribe to view more content like this. See you next week.